Okay guys, so of course we pretty much already knew that CJ and Royalty are pretty much back together, but today CJ did just confirm it. Now Royalty got pulled over by the cops. She posted it on her Instagram basically stating like, this is the second time this week, I need a new car. Now I'm gonna let CJ explain the rest.
Remember what I said about the police? I take it all back, man. Forget the police. I'm on my NWA vibes right now, bro. First of all, how come police pull you over and they call all their homeboys and they double, triple, quadruple team you, right? But when Royalty just pulled over, I pulled over with her to support and make sure everything went good. Guess what the police told me to do? He told me to keep moving. He was like, keep moving, bro. I'm like, what? Bro, you got me messed up. This is my whole girl and my kids in the car. You telling me to keep moving, but you finna call your butt buddies? See, listen, man, I don't know what I was on that day. I guess I was excited that he let me go. But I'm really from the hood. I should have remembered that, bro. Police they ain't right, bro. They always want everything to be their way. And even if it ain't legal, they still do it their way. They got me messed up. Right, Leon? What do we think about the police? They suck.
Wow, so now police officers suck now that you got profiled. But when other people were getting profiled, you stated all you had to do was comply with what they're saying and they'll be nice to you. Well, does that work all the time, CJ? I'm guessing not. But anyways, you guys heard what he said. He said that was his whole girl back there. He didn't say his ex-girl or his ex-wife. He said his girl. So that just confirms that they are back together. Not to mention that the kids have been at the house every day for the past, since Father's Day, which was about 3 days ago. So they're practically living there. Wouldn't be surprised if we see Royalty moving back in sometime soon. Now, I also want to speak on this because I touched on it in my last video. Now, a lot of people had something to say because CJ was letting the kids listen to and sing along with the Coil Ray Big Purr. Now he has them in the car singing gospel.
What's that? Melodies from heaven. Where you at, nation?
I don't know, guys. Ever since this whole situation has been going on with CJ, he has just showed me a whole new side of himself. So yeah, I can't get past the way that he was doing things, the way that he was acting. So that's just my opinion on the whole situation. But yeah, they're pretty much back together.
DizzyDiddy.com